everyone, so today I'm here to check how we put the window film, the anti-graffiti window film on top of the acid graffiti. And this storefront behind me, they have couple tags of the acid graffiti. And so you can see this is the graffiti with the anti-graffiti window film. It's right over here. We have a small sample, as you can see. So this is, unfortunately, this graffiti was not covered completely. So, but it's still less visible than it was before. I don't know why, honestly. It should cover it. It's been more than a week since we installed these samples, but it's still not fully invisible. So we can see this area over here. So you see graffiti, and you don't see it behind the film in this area. But over here I can clearly see graffiti through the film. But on this sample over here, on this glass, it covers really good. So I don't know what's happening. Why is it different? Maybe the type of acid they used or something. Look, so we have a sample here, and I can clearly see the graffiti silhouette behind the film, but it's actually invisible. So I would say this is success, this panel, and this one not so. So we're probably gonna need to remove graffiti on this panel before we install window film. And we can probably get away with this one, just installing the film, so you can save a couple dollars on that, versus removing and then installing the film. So my name is Andrew, it's Total Window Service, and I'm showing you the test for acid graffiti, let's say covering with anti-graffiti window film. So in some cases, anti-graffiti window film will completely cover your graffiti, and it's gonna be almost like invisible behind the film. But in some cases, as we can see, it may not work. So that's why we do the test, and if the test is positive, we can move forward, install the film, and save on replacing the glass or removing graffiti and installing the film. So thank you for watching, and this was Andrew again from Total Windows Service. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you again. We're in Manhattan, removing graffiti and installing window film. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.